if we want to maneuver around the different options we have to change look and feel, update settings, create marketing banners, all we have to do is start typing in what we want to see, and it's going to take us to the options that we have, and then we can actually click on those to go. So first off, we're going to take us over to layouts. And we're going to walk through how we would update some look and feel on the website. So since it's just a high-level demo, we'll just stick to the home page. So on the home page, what we're showing now is the layout that holds the different widgets that source content on our home page. So each of these could be a number of different ways to display content, but this, for instance, is a banner, and it's showing that banner that on our front page is showing right here. So all of these different items that you see on the home page are all controlled by these widgets. It's just how we convey content. Also allows us to make some easy but very meaningful changes. So the easiest one we'll display here is the item merchandiser down below. So we have what's called clearance items down here and an item merchandiser that we can scroll through. So we're going to take that, change what we're showing, and then move it up to the top. So all we would do for that is to click into the gear that's next to the top right corner. Once we click in, we can actually change the item merchandising list that we're showing. So instead of showing the office supplies for clearance, we could put up something that would say new products. And maybe we want to highlight new products at the beginning of the month and clearance products at the end of the month. So we could change it, change the name, no code necessary. There's some other settings in there too that we won't really dive into, but as simple as changing the merchandiser, which we're not doing for demo purposes, changing the name, which you saw us do. And then now we can actually scroll this to the very top, which would just let customers know at the beginning and end of each month, hey, we have these new products, and hey, we have these clearance products. Do you want to take advantage? So where before we were at the bottom of the page here for clearance items, if we refresh this, we'll bring it up to the top, and now it's going to be called new products. So this is just a quick, easy way to make really meaningful changes on the website and also influence the buyer behavior. So when we do this, it gives us the opportunity to get our customers in the habit of looking for new products at the beginning of the month and clearance products at the end of the month. So it's a really great way to try and drive additional revenue with our customers that are coming onto our site and shopping.